I am not worried that AI is going to replace humans.
I firmly believe that AI should be viewed as augmented intelligence and not artificial intelligence, because it's man that's going to infuse the intelligence into the machine.
Rather than replacing humans, putting people out of work, the thing that we're very excited about is the prospect that AI can actually enhance human work experience, allowing humans to spend more time interacting, being creative, being innovative.
We've done some studies that show that nearly 40% of what we do at work is role-based, and even the CEO's job, my estimate, back of the envelope estimate, is that between 15 to 20% of what I do is technically role-based that could technically be replaced by a machine. And that would free up time for me to work on many other things, which are more impactful and much more value-added.
I feel it's my responsibility to reassure workers that their days are not numbered. Humans have many good years left. I think we're going to see humans enhanced in the future.
Man can harness the power of machine to transform society, to transform work, and eventually to have a better life.